Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I wanted to show you this. The nuclear radiation detector and this Hanhart late 40s vintage watch. Well, I wanted to show you that there is no background radiation here until this portable Chernobyl device. Look at this. It is the luminous paint in the hands and the pips on the dial. And in a moment you'll see it is serious. Here. The dose is microsieverts and it keeps growing. Even changes the scale because it's just off the scale. And here. Now we have a discussion with the owner about originality. Do you want to keep this original and wear this around the wrist? And then I thought, wouldn't be interesting, this is through the acrylic crystal, but what is actually entering the wrist? So let's do it again, but now through the case back. Again, no background radiation. And this is the case back. And I thought it was just interesting, the difference between the metal of the case back and the acrylic crystal. And you see, it is loads and loads less. But still, not really good for your health. And just the difference between the acrylic and the case back. It is still building, but now it's leveling off. So the difference between 40 microsieverts and around 1.6, and I had a reading of 2 earlier on, microsieverts. And now, originality. Do we keep it this way? I prefer not, but then again, the owner does prefer to keep it original. And is it worth it here to wear this around the wrist? And just see the difference between the steel and the acrylic. It is immense. So still building. It is insane. You see, going through the 2 microsieverts per hour. So, what are your thoughts about originality and health and safety? Please let me know in the comments. And if you want to know a bit more about watchmaking, please have a look at our website, chronoglide.nl, and have a look at our book, Watchmaking Explained. All of this is there as well. Hey, enjoy your day. See ya. Bye-bye.